Hello YouTube, got another unboxing here. This one's a little special for me because there's a coin I was looking for that I don't know if it existed. Well, anyways, I saw it on Gainesville's Coins and it showed the coin of a battle of two ironclad ships, the Monitor and the Merrimack, and it didn't say how many ounces it was. Let me just get to the unboxing. Didn't say how much if it was an ounce, 2 ounce. Actually, if it was 2 ounce, it wouldn't be cheap as what I bought it for. Am I even opening this the right way? But anyway, the coin in question, I don't want to weigh it. Hopefully it's like might be a 1/4 ounce. It might be the size of a quarter. I'm not sure. Let me open this up real quick to make sure that there's no confidential material. That's on the bottom. Okay, there's that. Empty box. And the other coins I got were just some constitutional silver. Ooh, I got 4 quarters this time. Wow, I think this is actually an ounce coin. But anyway, I thought I was going to get dimes. 1944 quarter, 1964 quarter. This one's a 1950 and a 51. Alright. Well, anyways, the coin is actually this. Oh, let me take it out of the package. See this? Camera will focus. Please focus. Focus, come on. Come on. He does not want to focus. Oh man. You won't be able to see the detail in this if I don't get it to focus. I don't know if anybody can see that. See my forehead. Can't really see this. Might have to just type it out in the description of what it says. Well, there's a shot there. Right here on the left would be the turret of the Monitor, and in the foreground, you can't with the flag sticking out, is the Merrimack. The first two ironclad ships that went to battle. Ironclad ships being the first ships that had armor plating. Well, let me just do a weight test on this to see how much. Might be 3/4 ounce. Hold on. Enjoy the music real quick. I'm reading the edge. Pardon me. Yeah, it's about 1/2 ounce. Oh, look at that. It shows up even better right there. Pardon me for the video being so long, but I was trying to get this to focus. I'm kind of excited. Let's see, here's my toothpick. See, this is the turret for the Monitor. And right here's the Merrimack. There's its mast. There's its smokestack. And this right here kind of had like a 45-degree angle. I can be wrong, but it was angled. And right here's the deck of the monitor. You can barely see its gun right there. Let me flip this coin around. You might be able to read. Well, I think I've gone long enough. Have a good one, YouTube.